this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Me said that, me said that. Daylight come and me want go home. Eh, me said that, me said that. Daylight come and me want go home. Me said tally man, tally a banana. Daylight come and me want go home. One tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. Hey, gingerbread and jelly bean. Right now I'm super tired. It is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I'm here doing some errands right now, and then after that I have to go to school, which hopefully will be nice. I'll get a nice little vibe at school. Hey peeps, so I'm heading to school now, trying to fix this camera because it's a bit tilted, so I want to get into the right frame, and it's still tilted, so I don't want to be looking like outside way on it. But yeah, I'm heading to school right now. A bit late, but I just hurried out. I just put on my tennis clothes because I'm actually going to tennis after school, so instead of wasting so much gas to go home after school and change and then go to tennis, which is close by. Tennis is right over there where I'm pointing right now, but school is right down the road, so I'm conscious about the gas and stuff like that, because it's an old car and it burns a lot of gas, so if you can conserve more, it's always better to conserve more. So I'm going to school to see what it's like today. I'm in a singing mood, so I'll catch you guys later, yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Gingerbread and jelly bean. So right now I'm in Walmart car park. I just want to share a little story with you guys. This happened to me this morning. I was heading out early this morning. It was really cold. I had a cup of tea in my hand and I was in the car. So I make a turn, a left turn, after I was at the stoplight and I was going down. The speed limit was 35 miles per hour. I was drinking my tea. It was cold. The window was all fogged up. Water was on the front mirror and on the back mirror. So I was just focused on the road pretty much. And I think I was the only one going down that stretch at the point. When I turned up the radio, because I was listening to music and drinking the tea and driving at the same time, I saw flashing blue and red light in the back of the window. I was like, wait, is that for me? Because I've never been pulled over before by a police, right? So I saw the flashing lights in the rear, in the rear view. I was like, wait, is that for me? So I had the cup in my hand like this, and I was like, me? So I slowed down and I pulled over to the right on the sidewalk. So I saw the police pull over as well, and he came to the car. I still had my hands on the steering wheel, so hands on the steering wheel with the cup in my hand. He came out the window. I opened the door because the window is not working. Yes, it's an old car, but the window is not working. So I opened the door and he said to me, the window is not working. So I said, no. And he said, okay, give me your license and registration. I was like, okay. And I gave him one stuff and he came back. He said that I was going 52 miles per hour. People, to be honest with you, I cannot dispute that. The reason being, I wasn't looking at the meter at all because I was focused on the road. Again, it was cold. Water on both front and back window and rear window. So I had the tea in my hand, drinking the warm, nice tea, steam and everything. I was focusing on the road in front of me. So I wasn't looking at the meter. But the moral of the story is I didn't get a ticket and I thank God for that. But the manner in which I dealt with the situation, I used my please, I used my thank yous, I used my good mornings. And I kept the smile on, right? So I did all that and I dealt with the police good and everything. He said I need to slow down. And then I shook his hand afterwards, you know, and it went well. He went that way and I continued where I was going. So the point I want to make for this is whenever you're in any situation where you encounter the police or the police pull you over, just remember to be courteous. It might help your situation, it might not. Not everyone is the same. They're all doing their jobs, and yes, police do abuse and also racially profile, you know, black people or even Mexican or, you know, probably Arabs or whoever you are, people from other culture. There's racial profiling that goes on a day-to-day basis. But if you're dealing with the police, just try to be courteous and deal with them in a manner like they're a normal human being, and hopefully it come out on the good end, like, you know, my situation, which I thank God for. So try to just deal with them in a respectful manner, and hopefully they treat you the same, and hopefully you don't get a ticket. Also, try not to speed like I was speeding. I was going 12 over the limit. So again, I cannot dispute that because I wasn't looking at the meter. So I can't say yes, he's right, and I can't say no, he's wrong. So I'm staying in neutral forever. So it's neutral. I don't know for a fact because I wasn't looking at the meter at all. Like, I didn't glance at it, I never looked at it. I was just looking at the stoplight and going over the stoplight, and then I got pulled over. I was like, that's it. So yeah, I hope this message, you know, reach you guys. Stay vigilant on the road, stay safe on the road, protect yourself, be courteous at all times, and, you know, hopefully things fall in your favor. So enjoy the rest of the day, people. I'm out.